Angkatan bersenjata Rusia merilis rangkuman operasi militer khusus di Ukraina selama sepekan 28 April hingga 4 Mei 2024. Pasukan rudal dan artileri, serta kendaraan udara tak berawak dari kelompok pasukan Rusia memusnahkan 2 kendaraan tempur HIMARS MLRS buatan Amerika Serikat, 2 peluncur sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300PT dengan radar penerangan dan pemandu, 1 anti-pesawat IRIS-T peluncur sistem rudal, serta 1 depot bahan bakar untuk perangkat keras militer AEFU. Selain itu, 1 eselon militer dengan perangkat keras dan senjata buatan barat yang dikirim ke Ukraina oleh negara-negara NATO dihancurkan. Fasilitas penerbangan dan pertahanan udara Rusia menembak jatuh 15 rudal operasional taktis ATACMS buatan Amerika Serikat, 17 bom udara Hammer buatan Perancis, 6 proyektil GLSDB, HIMARS, dan Uragan, serta 201 kendaraan udara tak berawak. Selama seminggu terakhir, 14 prajurit Ukraina menyerah melalui jalur kontak. Juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konashenkov melansir secara total, Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina kehilangan 593 pesawat terbang, 270 helikopter, 23.742 kendaraan udara tak berawak. Militer Ukraina juga kehilangan 512 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 15.911 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 1.279 kendaraan tempur sistem peluncur roket ganda, 9.289 senjata artileri lapangan dan mortir, dan 21.471 militer khusus kendaraan dinetralisir sejak awal operasi militer khusus.
From the 28th of April to the 4th of May 2024, in response to the Kiev regime's attempts to damage Russia's energy and industrial facilities, the Russian armed forces carried out 25 group strikes by high-precision weapons and unmanned aerial vehicles, which hit Ukrainian energy and transport infrastructure facilities, enterprises of the military-industrial complex, missile and ammunition storage areas, as well as a production facility for uncrewed boats and unmanned aerial vehicles. Moreover, temporary deployment areas of nationalist groups and foreign mercenaries, clusters of Ukrainian manpower and military hardware have been hit. Over the past week, the units of the Zapad group of forces have taken more advantageous lines and inflicted fire damage on units of 12 enemy brigades close to Stelmakhovka, Novogorovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Petropavlovka, Glushkovka, Sinkovka in Kharkov region, and Torskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. 23 counter-attacks of assault detachments of the Ukrainian 77th Air Mobile, 3rd Assault, 63rd Mechanized Brigades, 10th and 18th National Guard Brigades have been repelled close to Chervonaya Dibrova, Novovodinoye in Lugansk People's Republic, Grigorovka and Terny in Donetsk People's Republic. The Ukrainian losses were up to 975 Ukrainian troops, 1 tank, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 28 motor vehicles, 2 Grad MLRS combat vehicles, and 27 field artillery guns, including 13 Western-made guns. During the week, the U Group of Forces units continued to advance to the depths of the enemy defense. 2 Ukrainian Air Mobile, 3 Assault, and 9 mechanized brigades have been hit near Spornoye, Andreevka, Maximilianovka, Paraskavievka, Belogorovka, Kleshcheyevka, and Kordyumovka in Donetsk People's Republic. 4 counter-attacks by Ukrainian 46 Air Mobile, 79th and 80th Air Assault Brigades, and 93rd Mechanized Brigades have been repelled close to Bogdanovka, Georgievka, Krasnogorovka, and Chasov Yar in Donetsk People's Republic. The Ukrainian losses were more than 2,325 Ukrainian troops, 7 tanks, 10 armored fighting vehicles, including 4 US-made M113 armored personnel carriers, 44 motor vehicles, and 20 field artillery guns. 5 electronic warfare stations have been eliminated, 1 Nota, 1 Enclave, 1 Bukovel AD, 1 US-made AN-TPQ-36 counter-battery warfare station, and 4 field ammunition depots. The Center Group of Forces units have improved the situation along the front line and liberated Novobakhmutovka, Semyonovka, and Berdychi in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 14 brigades of the Ukrainian armed forces have been defeated and 66 counter-attacks of the enemy have been repelled close to Leninskoye, Usmanskoye, Novgorodskoye, Novokalinovo, Ocheretino, and Nitailovo in Donetsk People's Republic. More than 2,405 Ukrainian troops, 3 US-made Abrams tanks, tanks, 20 armored fighting vehicles, including 4 US-made Bradley, 27 motor vehicles, 33 field artillery guns, 14 of them are Western-made. The units of the Vostok Group of Forces have improved the tactical situation by defeating the units of the 58th Motorized Infantry Brigade, 72nd Mechanized Brigade, 102nd and 128th Territorial Defense Brigades near Chervonoye, Gulay Pole in Zaporozhye region, Ugledar, Orozhainoye and Starmayorskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. The Ukrainian losses were up to 745 Ukrainian troops, 15 motor vehicles, 15 field artillery guns, 2 Anclav and Bukovel AD electronic warfare stations, as well as 1 ammunition depot. Over the week, the units of the Dnepr Group of Forces have engaged personnel and hardware of 4 brigades, 3 Territorial Defense Brigades and National Guard Brigade, close to Malaya Tokmachka, Rabotino, Novoandreevka, Sherbaki of Zaporozhye region, Mikhailovka, Ivanovka, Taginka and Bereslav of Kherson region. The Ukrainian losses were up to 215 Ukrainian troops, 9 motor vehicles and 6 field artillery guns. Missile troops and artillery, as well as unmanned aerial vehicles of the Russian groups of forces, have eliminated 2 US-made HIMARS MLRS combat vehicles, 2 S-300PT anti-aircraft missile system launchers with illumination and guidance radar, 1 IRIS-T anti-aircraft missile system launcher, as well as 1 fuel depot for Ukrainian military hardware. In addition, 1 military echelon with Western-made hardware and weapons delivered to Ukraine by NATO countries has been destroyed. Aviation and air defense facilities have shot down 15 US-made ATACMS operational tactical missiles, 17 French-made HAMMER aerial bombs, 6 GLSDB, HIMARS and Uragan projectiles, as well as 201 unmanned aerial vehicles. Over the past week, 14 Ukrainian servicemen have surrendered on the line of contact. In total, 593 airplanes, 270 helicopters, 23,742 unmanned aerial vehicles, 512 anti-aircraft missile systems, 15,911 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,279 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 9,289 field artillery guns and motors, as well as 21,471 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Staf Umum Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina 5 Mei melansir total kerugian Rusia 474.260 tentara di Ukraina sejak awal invasi besar-besaran 24 Februari 2022. Jumlah ini termasuk 860 korban yang diderita pasukan Rusia selama sehari terakhir. Pasukan Vladimir Putin juga total kehilangan 7.375 tank, 14.179 kendaraan tempur lapis baja, 16.418 kendaraan dan tangki bahan bakar, 12.212 sistem artileri, 1.057 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 790 sistem pertahanan udara, 349 pesawat terbang, 325 helikopter, 9.636 drone, 26 kapal dan perahu, dan 1 kapal selam.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.